welcome back to another episode of Parker Jeff's Outdoors. And today, I almost fell there. And today I am fishing this golf course again. I fished here, I think once with my buddies Parker and Gunner. And Gunner pulled out some nice bass out of here. So it's like 115 degrees outside out here in Arizona. I'm using a Texas rig right now. This water's so dirty. Alright guys, so I'm moving to my next spot and I just want to tell you guys something. So you guys will be watching this video like on Thursday or Friday, and I'm filming this the Saturday before. And on Friday I fly out early in the morning to Utah, and I'll be staying there. Shut up, bird. I'll be staying there for 3 weeks, and I'll be fishing non-stop like the whole time, except for the first week. The first week I'm just going to hang out with my friends and family. So those last 2 weeks I'll be fishing like every single day. That's why there won't be a video up for 3 weeks, because I won't have access to a computer. So when I get back, I'll post like a teaser or a trailer or something like that and explain how the trip went. And yeah, let's get back to fishing. First spot was a bust. They did not even touch our baits at this pond, so we're gonna head up to the clear pond and hopefully get them. Guys, so this is spot number 2, and I'm feeling really good about this spot. I mean, it is crystal clear and it looks freaking awesome. I can't wait to get a nice bass on it, hopefully. Hey, like, I've never seen this clear water in Arizona except for Willow Springs, which is up north. The sun's about to go down right now. I have about like 20 minutes before it's completely dark, and I already see like the bass coming out into the shallow parts, which is a good sign. Alright guys, I just got blown up. I'm just gonna keep the GoPro rolling because I have enough battery and everything. So hopefully we catch another blow up. That'll be sweet. Holy crap, look at all this fishing in, guys. Look how clear that is. There's a little bass right there. I could sight fish these bad boys. Little bass. Dude, this is freaking legit. Dad just caught one on a black brush hog, and that was a pretty healthy looking bass for what I've been fishing with. Oh, did I leave my... I left my pole. That was a big bass. Big bass, big bass. Holy. Come on. I need to catch that. That was like a 3. Holy smokes. Ooh! What the heck? What the? Oh my gosh. Bro, this thing is huge. This thing's giant. Whatever, I'm done touching it. Oh my gosh. I smell like crap now. Oh no! Oh my gosh! I literally like took it out of the water and something hit it as I was taking it out. What the frick? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Eat it again. Eat it again. You took two little swipes at it. Come on. You can do it. Okay guys, we're gonna wrap it up there. My dad caught one and I missed a bunch on the top water, but it wasn't our best day. It's freaking heat advisory, so it wasn't the best day for fishing. And yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you guys in 3 weeks. trick shot. Get in there. Hole in one. Hole in one. Hole in one.